Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this ebook platform, which is ReadLoudly. So let's get started with a in-depth review about ReadLoudly. So ReadLoudly is a browser-based ebook reader that converts EPUB and PDF files into audio using AI-powered text-to-speech. It lets users customize voice speed, page, and styles while also offering and highlighting, bookmarking, and dark mode. No installation is needed. Mark it a quick, hand-free reading solution, great for multitaskers or those who prefer listening over reading. However, ReadLoudly is limited to web users, only they lack offline access or synchronization across devices. Some users have also raised trust concern due to its low safety rating on scam checking platform and all of that. And here's a real conclusion. So the app simply worth it, trying for casual based ITTS reading, not ideals for users who need offline access and advanced features or a full reliability. So that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this ebook reader platform, and if you find the video and review helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.